Hi, today in front of you Motorola One's 5G Ace, and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google of Google Assistant option on this device. So if you wanna turn on the Hey Google feature and you don't know how to do that, you should first launch the Google application and then tap on the right down corner to more icon. Then click to the settings, tap to voice section and click to voice match. Just to activate Hey Google option, click once on the switcher, tap to next. Read this description, click yes, I agree, continue, and now we should just add our voice model assistant to recognize your voice. So click to retain voice model and say okay Google, okay Google, hey Google, hey Google. After that, just tap to finish, and now one will say okay Google or hey Google. We can see that this option successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.